Check out this week's recap. We're starting out with the ZR2 Mesa Black. Passenger side, side access door. We also have some side awning brackets. Jumping on the interior, we don't have any ceiling insulation or lights, but we do have the 5100K max fan in the roof. We do vinyl on all the darker colors, but the max fans make a huge difference. Exterior driver side, we have the 42x12 window and the side L-track. Next, we have this huge Ford F-250 with a black Rincon. Driver side, we have the 42x12 window, side L-track. Let's jump inside. We have a pretty slick drawer situation and full cutout Molly driver and passenger side. Lower lights, upper lights, ceiling insulation, 5100K fan. They also opted for the barn doors. Passenger, we have the 42x12 window, side L-track, and awning brackets. Next, we have this black Badlander on a 4th gen Tacoma. Passenger side, we have 42x12 window, awning brackets. Jumping inside, we have upper lights, 5100K fan, and no insulation or lower lights. Driver side, we have the side access door. Check out this brand new Cummins diesel. They chose a white Rincon. Passenger side has the 42x12 window, side L-track. Interior on the driver's side, we have white full cutout Molly. We have lower and upper lighting, 5100K fan, and ceiling insulation. Also, most of these are equipped with the Velcro for the interior insulation package. They also opted for the 110 power hookup. Driver's side, we have the 42x12 window and side L-track. The 110 inlet's just on the bottom left there. Next, we have this white Rincon on another brand new truck. Passenger, we have the 42x12 window, side L-track. Jumping inside, we have no cutout Molly, driver and passenger side. Lower lights, upper lights, ceiling insulation, 5100K fan, Velcro for the interior insulation. Driver, we have the 42x12 window and side L-track. Next, we have this white Rincon on a white Tacoma. Driver side, we have the 42x12 window. Interior, this customer opted to keep it bare bones. Passenger, we have another 42x12 window. And that's it for this week's recap. Thanks for watching.